Designed for normal hair textures. Formulated with the age-old properties of extra virgin olive oil. Our conditioning relaxer system helps repair, rebuild, and restore your hair, while giving it added strength, shine, and softness. Go beyond relaxing by reaching a higher level of conditioning and moisturization to experience the ultimate in healthier, softer, silkier, straighter hair. Made in USA. Fortified and enriched with extra virgin olive oil that goes beyond relaxing by reaching a higher level of conditioning and moisturizing. Formulated with the age-old properties of extra virgin olive oil, it helps repair, rebuild and restore hair, while giving it strength, shine and softness. The ultimate in healthy relaxed hair. You'll experience soft, silky, straight hair, as never before. Formulated with tea tree oil, shea butter, silk protein, cholesterol, egg protein, jojoba oil, vitamin E, carrot oil, mink oil, honey and herbs. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing. I have used store-bought perms and they really broke off my hair. My hair has always been nappy to maintain no matter how much brushing or blow-drying I would do. This relaxer was very loving to my damaged perm hair. It made it soft and shiny and I didn't lose any hair when I was brushing it out.